Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin. Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Then we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type c colon, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd system32 and hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy space *** space backup and hit enter. Now type md space backup 1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space ** space backup 1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Type copy space ** space .. and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Now type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now type this command md space boot and simply hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Type attrib c colon /boot /bcd -h -r -s and hit enter. Type in ren c colon /boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.